time to unbox my new DJI pattern. Thank you, love.
Thank you, Papa.
Ooh.
Open it.
We open it here.
Wait.
Mm.
Oh, wait.
Open.
Wow. What is that?
So it looks. Let's do this. Ooh. It says. So all of these. Open this one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
A picture. It's in JPEG. I don't know.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that. This one.
Wow.
Other ones are PDF.
Wow.
And
Dip, dip, dip. Is it holder?
That's what it came. Right now, that's what I'll say. No mess on this way.
alright. It's in PDF.
That's all I could find, you know? Alright. And this one.
This is how it looks after activation. Say hi, Anya.
Hi, Anya.
Like this. Then we'll go back here. Oops. 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 I don't have an SD card yet. This is how it will work for now.
Thinking of you with Papa?
Is it broken?
Yeah.
Aww. She wants and she's asking me to touch it.